So some things to check if your air conditioner is not working. Um, First and foremost, similar to like if a furnace isn't working, we want to check a few things down by the furnace. We want to check to make sure airflow is good. So check that filter, make sure the filter's not too dirty. Make sure that the power switch on the side of the furnace is actually turned on. We want to go to the breaker panel and verify that both the circuit breaker for the outdoor unit, the condenser, and the furnace are both turned on. They work hand in hand together here. And make sure the thermostat's set to cooling and turned down far enough to where this should actually be on. Beyond that, one other thing that might be helpful to know about is, and this unit doesn't have it here, but if you have a separate little box next to the disconnect box here that has a little window with some LED lights in there, that's called a saver box. It's from the utility company, and what that does is it gives the utility company, your power company, the power to cycle this outdoor unit on and off during peak demand. So if you have a box like that and you're wondering why this outdoor unit's not turned on, if you look in that little window and see red lights, it's probably being controlled by the utility company. So that would be nothing to worry about. That's operating normally. But that is something we come across fairly often in the summertime as techs on service calls, is my outdoor unit won't turn on or it doesn't stay running, and it's simply that saver switch activated and turning the unit off.